Forest Cobra Paracord Bracelet. Hello everyone and welcome to the Alpha One982 YouTube family channel. My name is Dale and today we're gonna make this beautiful paracord bracelet called Forest Cobra. Big thanks goes to my patrons on www.patreon.com/alpha1982, Mr. J. Bradbury especially for today's video, and enjoy! So for today's project we're gonna need this 5/8 of an inch paracord buckle, this green paracord 550, total length 4.5 feet or 1.5 meters, and this camouflage paracord 550, total length 4.8 feet or 1.6 meters for the wrist width of 20 centimeters. So take the camo and insert it from the top like this, and then these two to the loop, and we have basically made the cow hitch. Now when you've done that, slide this cow hitch to the right like this, and then take the left cord and insert it from the top, and then take it and through, and now take it from the back like this, insert it, and through this loop here. By doing this we're gonna make two cow hitch, and with these two cow hitch we're gonna secure the green paracord. Now take these two ends, cut them loose so we can insert the green cord into the base of the bracelet like this. Take the green cord, insert it, and make it in the middle to fit the bracelet. So take the ends of this green, pull it, and then secure it by tightening this up. So here. So now, when we've done this, take this green, the left one, make it on top of the base of the bracelet like this, and then take this left camo on top like this, and now this right side will go on top of the left one like so, under and through this loop here. So by doing this we're making the actual cobra, and we're just adding the little bit of this camo on top. Here on the first knot you will not see it clearly, but on the second will be better. So take it and this right one, make it on top like this. This right cord on top of all the cords like so, and back, so you'll have the knot looking like this. And then this top green on top of the bottom green under the whole base of the bracelet and through this loop here. As you see here, this is the basic Solomon or basic cobra knot, and this is the adding of the camouflage paracord. So this joint makes the Forest Cobra. Let's continue. Now take the left one on top to the right side, then the left one of the camouflage or the camo on top of the whole thing and back to the left, and this top side cord or this cord on top of this one under the whole structure or base and through this loop here to the left side like this, as you can see here. Believe me guys, it's just looking complicated, it's very simple and it's very neat design, I must say. Tight it up, and as you can see here, here is the cobra knots and the adding of the camo. Now when you reach the end of the bracelet, take out the buckle and insert the camo, the inner strands, into the buckle. Like this. And then the green to the side. And now with the inner ones, the camo, simply make the basic Solomon to lock the bracelet. And as you can see, the bracelet is finished. We are left just to cut off the excess of the cord and melt it down. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, Madame and Monsieur, this bracelet is finished. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, consider to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and big thanks and credits go for this video goes to Jay Bradbury. He is one of the patrons on my Patreon account, so if you want to join him, please visit the link down below in the description, or simply go on the www.patreon.com/Alpha One982 and become the patron of this channel. So thank you one more time for watching. Stay safe, be well. Until the next time, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. Bye.